In this video, we'll talk about newly launched feature called Console Toolbar. Browser-based terminal AWS CloudShell was there since December 2020, but Console Toolbar helps to access both AWS Management Console and AWS CloudShell in a single view. Unfortunately, I cannot show you the earlier view in this live demo, but I can show you from a recorded video available in CloudShell homepage. Let's open that CloudShell homepage. You scroll down a little bit, you'll see there is a demo video. So you can see the CloudShell icon here. On clicking, it will be launched in the whole window. Now, if we log into AWS Console Home, you'll see AWS CloudShell is still there, and we'll see one extra icon CloudShell in that Console Toolbar. Maybe more tools will be available in Console Toolbar over time. So let's click it and we'll see CloudShell is launching for the same region where this console home is opened. And this single view of management console and CloudShell makes the experience more interactive and convenient or engaging. CloudShell already simplifies the workflow where we need to run ad hoc scripts, commands to explore, manage, or interact with different AWS services directly from browser-based shell. And this console toolbar basically sweetens that user experience. Let me show you why I am saying this. Let's go to S3 Management Console and we will see we already switched to different services, but still AWS CloudShell is running there. Here we can see there are two S3 buckets are there. Let's run some ad hoc commands. Let's say to list the S3 buckets. So you'll see this listed S3 buckets. Let's try to create a new bucket. Now enter the command. Parameter validation failed. Location constant must be one of the. Okay. So basically it will be in caps. Yeah. So you will see AWS Junkie bucket 3 is created. And let's refresh it here. So you see this bucket is created. Whatever we are doing in AWS CloudShell, we can see it in the console or the vice versa. If we do anything here, that will be available in CloudShell as well. This makes the experience more seamless. So based on requirement, we can just resize like this. And if we just close it, this will basically minimize this. Close it. And if we move to some other service, so let's say Lambda, and if we open it, so you'll see all those commands that we tried earlier. So basically it is trying to maintain the same region as well as it is keeping everything in sync. Even if you are navigating through different pages, different services, and it is also remembering the state. Like if we close it, it will remain closed. AWS CloudShell is not available in all region. If you try to open CloudShell in some region where CloudShell is not available, in that case, CloudShell will be launched in the nearest region. So just for example, Asia Pacific Osaka, that is not available in the list. So if you just try to open the console in Osaka region, let's see what happens. So you'll see CloudShell is getting launched and it says CloudShell is not available in the selected AWS console region. CloudShell will run in Asia Pacific Sydney in case you are not aware. So CloudShell is launched per region basis. So if we now switch back to US East 2, so you will see that all these things are running there. The CloudShell that is launched for US East 2 region, that is different from the one that we launched earlier for Osaka region. So in other words, AWS CloudShell is per region basis. One more thing I would like to share before I close this discussion. So if you just resize the window, you will see that CloudShell is disappeared and also that console toolbar is disappeared. So basically if we just resize, you'll see it is appearing, and after certain width it is getting disappeared. And it makes sense because in a small window it's very difficult or inconvenient to see both AWS Console Home and CloudShell. I learned a lot during my AWS 11x certifications. I will share all those resources here. Please consider subscribing to this channel if you are on the same journey.